Hello, my dear wonderful subscribers. Welcome back to Meme Educators. I hope you are all having an amazing start to the new year. As we step into 2024, I want to take a moment to wish each and every one of you a happy new year filled with joy, success, and countless Flutter and Dart adventures. Now, without further delay, let's dive into today's exciting topic, an introduction to Flutter and Dart. Whether you are a beginner or looking to expand your skills, this video is packed with insights and tips to get you started on your Flutter journey. So grab your favorite snack, get comfortable, and let's explore the incredible world of Flutter and Dart together. Are you ready? Let's dive into it. Introduction to Flutter framework and Dart programming language. So firstly, what is a framework? A framework is like a toolbox which consists of all the equipments for our work. So let's see what is a framework. A framework is like a toolbox for developers, offering ready-made tools like libraries and code modules, and a set of rules like conventions and guidelines to make building software easier and more efficient. So to build a software like websites or apps, so we need some libraries, inbuilt libraries and code modules that is provided by some toolbox, and that's called a framework. Let's see the example for the framework. So here the Doraemon Pocket is a perfect example of framework. The Doraemon Pocket consists of all the equipments for his work. So a framework is like a Doraemon Pocket for developers. So what is a Flutter? Before knowing what is a Flutter, do you know Flutter is created by Google. Flutter was launched on 4th December 2018. So let me know what is the age of the Flutter now in comment section. So what is a Flutter? Flutter is like a superhero of all frameworks. It makes your app look good on any device. So let's see the images. On the first image, it appears Flutter is like a superhero. On the second image, we can understand a single image is adaptive to all screens, all type of screens. So that is the work of Flutter. So it makes your app look good on any device. So that's why Flutter is called cross-platform. So what is Dart? So we all know Dart is a programming language, but do you know Dart is also created by Google, and Dart is Dart programming language used in Flutter. So what is Dart? Created by Google, is a versatile programming language used for web, mobile, and server apps, especially popular with Flutter for building cross-platform applications effortlessly. So, because of it is used in Flutter framework, it is a versatile programming language because we can build a websites or mobiles. In mobiles, there are categories like Android and iOS, and desktop apps also we can build using Flutter. But for all these, we are using Dart programming language. That's why Dart programming language is a versatile programming language. Let's see the meme behind this concept. So when a beginner asks, "Can I build apps using Flutter?" without even knowing that Dart language is used in Flutter. So that is the exact reaction of Dart and the Flutter also. So you don't build any small app without Dart using Flutter. So that's the concept of this meme. So why Flutter? Why we pick Flutter? Why we have to choose Flutter? So Flutter is a cross-platform. If you see the video, in this video there are many devices like smartwatches and mobiles and laptops, desktops like this. This is the work of a Flutter. So you can build apps on any device, so that it is called cross-platform, and Flutter is product too. So next, Flutter makes we can make expressive UI user interfaces using Flutter. So if you see this video, we can make expressive UI like this using Flutter. So that is the one of feature in Flutter, and Flutter is versatile. If you observe this picture, the SpongeBob doing The Flutter can make Android apps and web applications and desktop apps and iOS apps also with single code base. So this is called versatility. So Flutter is a versatile framework. So Flutter is an open source because Flutter is free and public. So that's why Flutter is an open source. So Flutter and Dart have communities. We'll see in the official document. We'll see in the official website. So wait for that. So how to learn Flutter? How to learn Flutter? So for learning Flutter, we can learn from official website. So let's see that. So this is the official website of Flutter. So if you go on multi-platform, so you can see you can make apps on mobile, Flutter on iOS and web and desktop and embedded. If you go to development, there is a concept learn, Flutter favorites, packages, monetization, games. You can build games also and news. You can, if you go to ecosystem, you will see the community events and cultures and consultants. So there are multiple communities in Flutter. So these all are communities in Flutter throughout the world. And if you can learn from these, learn and you can learn from this. So this is the overall document of Flutter. You can learn from these. Uh, and so when you go to showcase, so it will show the apps developed using Flutter. So you know BMW company's app is developed using Flutter, and Google Pay is also developed by Flutter, and Kijiji is also developed by Flutter. If you scroll down, then you will see the all the apps which are using Flutter. Google Classroom, Alibaba Groups, ByteDance, and there are many apps which is using Flutter because Flutter is cross platform. So that's why we can use Flutter. So and the second way to learn Flutter is if you subscribe my channel, I will make regular videos. I will make a playlist on Flutter so that you can learn from my channel. So subscribe to my channel. So let me tell you the a small concept in Flutter, widgets in Flutter. So widgets in Flutter is like in Flutter everything is a widget. It's like a brick of building. You can build anything. So if you see this image, in this image, in the mobile, it shows a login page of Instagram. So it consists of a colors and a title and the text fielders. Inside the text field, there are some hint text and the login button and the icons, the Facebook icon, and the many texts are there. So everything is called widgets in Flutter. So if you are building when you are building a Flutter app, you should take care of the widgets in a proper way like this. So that indicates a proper manner of widget. Okay. So if you enjoy this video, if you think this video is informative, please subscribe to the channel. Sorry, subscribe the channel.